I'm a savage, attitude nasty. Talk big shit, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy. Rich, but I'm ratchet. Haters kept my name in their mouth, now they gagging.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna get into that super cute look you saw on my thumbnail. I'm just gonna show you guys how I executed that look. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get straight into it. No long talking. We ain't got the time. Period. I would like to tell you guys from now I don't have more lashes, so ain't gonna be no lash time. So yeah, and I'm sorry about my brows. This one, I don't know what's going on, but I'm living for this one. I don't know what's going on for that one, so please ignore that. I haven't been doing my brows for a good while, and when I stop doing them, they just, I don't know. I shaved my eyebrow myself and I took off a good amount of my eyebrow. All this is product. So yes, let's get into this. Okay guys, so first I'm going to dip into my orange eyeshadow and I'm going to go into the upper inner part of my eye, and I'm just going to blend this all right in here.
To love me better than all the others do, to always forgive me, ride or die with me. That's just what gangsters do.
Okay, so you know that orange looking nice and glowy. So now we're gonna go into yellow and we're gonna blend it right next to the orange.
Good on that pussy shit. I don't want what I can get. I want someone with secrets that nobody knows. I need a gangster.
Okay guys, so now that they're all blended together, I'm gonna go and cut the crease.
Love me better than all the others do, to always forgive me, ride or die with.
Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to buff in where I cut the crease, like buff it in a little bit.
That's just what gangsters do. My freakness is on the loop.
Okay guys, so after buffing that in and now that it is dry, I'm going to go into my Sahara palette and I'm going to go into that nice silver shade. Using my slim fluffy brush, I'm going to make a rim of silver and then shape it out nicely with some concealer. So let's go.
And running all over you. Please take me to places that nobody knows. You got me hooked up on the feeling.
Okay guys, so we're gonna go in with some concealer and clean it up and give it a nice clean line.
Got me hanging from the ceiling. Got me up so high I'm barely breathing. So don't let me go.
And that is completed, and now we're gonna get to the fun part.
Okay guys, so we're gonna be using my Zulu palette, my baby. How many times have I said that? We're gonna go into these two babies right here. We're gonna go into this green and then this bluish tone, and we're just gonna stamp it half and half on the lid. Let's get to it.
Need a gangster to love me better, baby.
we're gonna go into the other shade, the bluish tone.
Die with me, rather die with me. That's just what gangsters do. I don't want what I can get. I want someone with secrets that nobody knows.
I'm dying for this look. This look is looking good. I don't know. I just feel it.
Need a gangster to love me better than all the others do. To always forget.
This is about to be cute as hell.
Give me, ride or die with me. That's just what gangsters do.
Cut this crease. Time to cut this crease.
Freakness is on the loose and running all over you. Please take me to places that nobody knows. You got me hooked up on the feeling. You got me hanging from the ceiling. Got me up so high I'm barely breathing. So don't let me down.
Okay guys, so as usual, after I'm finished my makeup, the concealer under my brows always seems to disappear and I do not know why. I think it's my concealer. Probably need to get a new concealer, but this place really needs to open up so I can get my things. But until then, I'm going to use what I have. My brows are not looking that good because I don't have the products to keep them 100%. I'm gonna get some highlights and highlight my brow bone.
Let me down, let me go. I need a gangster to love me better.
I'm gonna put on some light foundation.
Love me better, baby. All the others do. They do.
Ooh, this foundation is making this look come together. I'm gonna put some more
Always forgive me.
highlight.
Ride or die with me. That's just what gangsters do.
Guys, and this is the finishing look. Wait. Ooh. Yes guys, you know it's your girl Mother Nature and this is the finish.
Hold up. Did I just forget to put on lip gloss?
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot to put on lip gloss.
Okay, so let's get right back on track now because I can't believe I forgot.
Finishing look. This was a short video, but I just didn't want to make it too long. This was fun. I really love this look. I am going to go and take some bum ass pictures right about now. My hair, it's giving me like what's her name? Like Harley Quin vibes. Oh. Follow me on Instagram, MOT_HER_nature. That's my Instagram, and my Facebook is Mother Nature Beauty. So you know, go check me out, people. I'll try to leave links in the description box. I don't know how to do that as yet. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe, click that notification bell, and join the family. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for clicking. Really appreciate the love that I've been getting lately. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I love you guys. My nature out. Peace.